The prestigious Hindu college in Delhi University did its bit to integrate the students of the Northeast with students of rest of the country by holding a cultural extravaganza of the Northeast titled Anytime. Enjoy our coverage.
Hundreds of Delhi University students gathered in the premises of the prestigious 115-year-old Hindu College on the 29th of March to celebrate the cultural diversity of the Northeast and pledge their love for the region through College Festival Anytime 2014, organized by the college's Northeast Cell. The gala show started with the chief guest, General Retired J.J. Singh, former Governor of Arunachal Pradesh, accompanied by his wife, Lady Anupama Singh, and Hindu College Principal, Dr. Pradyumna Kumar, cutting the ribbon and lighting the lamp, followed by a welcome song by the Mao Choir. Taking the mic first, Dr. Pradyumna Kumar spelled out that the aim of the festival was emotional integration of students of the Northeast with students from rest of the country.
For the last 3 years, we are having this Northeast Festival with the aim of achieving the target of emotional integration of the Northeast student with the students from the rest of the country who are studying here.
In my college, I have many friends, like from Keralites friends, Delhiite friends. They are really so helpful. Even my seniors, my teachers, they are really so helpful. So I think I have there are more advantages. Like people here are really so good. Except some people, like the low categories people, they really sometimes create problems. But like teachers, my friends, and everyone is like really good over here. Delhiites, exactly.
Speaking next, General Retired J.J. Singh talked about his 3 long tenures in various parts of the Northeast while he was in service in the army and thereafter 5.5 years as governor. He called the Northeast people dynamic dynamites and hugely talented.
I feel that the Northeast of India is the strength of India, and the people are the ones who give it the strength. The people are very handsome, good looking, they're hardworking, they're sincere, and they also are very patriotic. In what I feel is that we understand the importance of Northeast, and we must be more aware of the different states of Northeast, because also India's strength is unity in diversity. What more diversity than what we have in the Northeast?
Later, talking exclusively to Youthfolio, he gave out a message to all insurgent groups still in the jungles to shun violence and embrace the paths of peace.
My views are that prosperity will come if there is peace. And you see it already, the evidence of it, with the peace in Assam. Guwahati is booming as a regional hub. So, the people must realize also that terrorism, insurgency will not give them a brighter future. It will be bad for them. Therefore, they must stop supporting people who are resorting to violent methods of achieving whatever they want to achieve. Peacefully and with dialogue, everything can be achieved.
The honored guests were followed by a long lineup of talented dancing troupes. One had Bihu, Manipuri modern dance, Arunachali dance, one had a very entertaining and educative fashion show where the youth walked in traditional clothes of various tribes of the Northeast, while the young women looked stunning in a variety of long ethnic skirts topped with jewelry. The men carried off the traditional lungi and sash equally confidently. This show was followed by another round of dancing which included Lai Harauba, dancing on Bollywood songs, and locking and popping. If this were not all, there were a good lineup of singers including the famous Borkhun Rankhal, Minutes of DK Sisters, and the irresistible Guru Reuben Mashangwa, who rocked every person in the young crowd. Guru Reuben sang out and gave messages about one love, joining all.
I had a bad time. Look gonna turn my way. It's alright with me. Singing song for you.
My message is, please give a chance of happiness, give a chance of peace. We live together in our lifetime. For younger generation also, because we never depart. So it's one country, one nation, one thought, one love, one heart.
Well, friends, it's time now for us to wrap up the show. Before going, we would like to announce the names of the week's winners. They are...
For our contest section, we had asked which community's festival from Arunachal Pradesh did we show in the episode. The answer is, we showed Unyang Aran festival of the Adi community from Arunachal Pradesh. The winners are Thoi Yambem from Chandel, Manipur, Barun Ghale from Gangtok, Sikkim, and Devjani Sarkar from Silchar, Assam.
Congratulations, the three of you. Your gift checks will reach you within 2 weeks' time. For others who have not won as yet, name the college in which the Anytime Festival was held. Rush in your answers to youth_folio@yahoo.com or SMS to 94354-07310. See you all next week. Until then, goodbye, take care.